Good morning, dear students. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the task and task state, the process and process state, and threads. In the operating system consent, context, in the operating system context, a task is defined as a program in execution and related information maintained by the operating system for the program. Task is also known as job in operating system context. A program or a part of it in execution is also called process. So we can define the process as a program or a part of task which is in execution. The term task, job and process refers to the same entity in operating system context, and most often they are used interchangeably. A process requires various system resources like CPU for executing the process, memory for storing the code corresponding to the process, and associated variables, input-output devices for information exchange or sharing of information. Task oblique process management. It deals with setting up the memory space for task, loading the task code into memory space, allocating system resources, setting up a task control block TCB for task and task process termination oblique deletion. A task control block is used for holding the information corresponding to a task. Task control block usually contain the following set of information. Number one, task ID, task identification number, task state, the current state of the task. That is, for example, state is equal to ready for a task which is ready to execute. Task type, task type indicates what is the type for this task. The task can be hard real time or shift real time or background task. Task priority. Task priority example is task priority is equal to 1 for task with priority is equal to 1. Task contest pointer. Contest pointer, pointers for contest saving. Task memory pointer, pointers to the code memory, data memory and stack memory for the task. Task system resource pointer points to system resources such as Symforce, Mutex, etc. used by the task. Task pointer points to other task control blocks. Task control blocks for preceding, next and waiting task. Task oblique process scheduling deals with sharing the CPU among various task oblique process. A kernel application called scheduler handles the task scheduling. Scheduler is nothing but an algorithm implementation which performs the efficient and optimal scheduling of tasks to provide a deterministic behavior. Means scheduler are nothing but they are the algorithms. A number of algorithms are there such as round robin algorithm which perform the efficient and optimal scheduling of tasks to provide a deterministic behavior. Task oblique process synchronization. It deals with synchronizing the concurrent access of resources. Concurrent means in parallel access of resources, which is shared among multiple tasks and communication between various tasks. We will discuss the various synchronization techniques and inter-task process communication in the later section of this chapter.